Heat wave survival tips from people who are really good at it. Number 1, prevent solar heat gain, which means avoid the sun. Avoid the sun when you are working, when you're walking, when you're cycling, and no sunbathing. During a heat wave, you have to cover up more, not less, and you have to wear loose, light colored clothes which are made of natural fiber. Cotton is the best. Remember, the less exposed your skin is to the sun, the less your body will retain the heat. Also cover your head when it's hot outside. Boys, you gotta learn some parda. And remember, sunscreen helps with skin damage, not heat gain. Number 2, preventing active or passive heat gain, which means try to avoid physical exertion, try to avoid doing a lot of activity like gardening, running, playing sports. Avoid spaces with poor ventilation, like attics, buses with no AC. If you can't make it somewhere safe, it's better to stay at home. Number 3, cooling down, which means staying in places which aren't very hot. Stay in cool places, use a fan. Having cold showers, having cold baths during the day really helps as well. Use air conditioning if possible. There are a lot of portable options now. Try to eat cold foods, drink a lot of cold water, sprinkle yourself with cold water, sprinkle your clothes, sprinkle your head. All of those things will help you stay cool. Number 4, staying hydrated the right way. Drinking lots of fluids is the advice, but not all fluids. Drinking lots of electrolyte and fruit juices is a good idea, but plain water would do the trick for most people. Fill your freezer and fridges with cold water bottles and ice cube trays and keep them topped up. Number 5, avoiding dehydration. Not all liquids are made equal, so you have to avoid these because they will make you less hydrated. Avoid drinking caffeine, which includes teas, coffees, iced lattes. Is matcha caffeine? Matcha is also caffeine. And energy drinks. Avoid drinking anything fizzy, Coke, Pepsi, Tango, sparkling water. Avoid anything with alcohol, except for when it's in medicine. All these things dehydrate you more and make you sweat less. So even though when you're drinking them, you feel better, you actually don't realize when you're becoming too hot. And if you are a tea or coffee addict, then my advice would be to drink them during the time of the day when it's cooler, so really early in the morning. So the dehydration effect wears off by the time it's hot.